We're here in the park bringing art into the park, and this is part of the city's Movies in the Park. We have 5x7 canvases and lots of paints and tools, and the kids are here to play, get creative, and add some color onto their canvas. Creative Relief is one of the 3 programs of Artstra, and the whole goal of it is to bring arts in and art activities into communities that don't normally have access. So we do a wide range of things. Some of these kind of events where we put out the paints and let everybody explore. Sometimes we work with private groups and do art therapy, bringing that to people for healing purposes. And we have partnered with different organizations around Clark County to be able to bring art into their community. It's been amazing, actually. So being our 3rd event, we have these 5x7 panels, and we had 600 for the 4 events we're participating in. We went through 300 in the first event. And so it's been really well received, and it's been great fun because parents and kids and anybody is coming up and just having a lot of fun putting paint on their canvas and really just letting their creativity out. So it's been hundreds of people at each event. It's been incredible to kind of connect with the different communities because it's happening in different parks all around Clark County. So we're hoping to grow Creative Relief in many different ways, beyond even doing events and trying to provide opportunities for people to be able to do more art and make it more affordable by being able to subsidize that with things that funds we fundraise and get donated so that we can just make art approachable and affordable for everybody.